If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter 37, Special Rules of Evidence, Sections 522 to 523. Chapter 37 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, introduces specific provisions that pertain to the rules of evidence in criminal proceedings. Sections 522 and 523 are designed to ensure that the evidence presented in court is handled with the utmost integrity and reliability, thus safeguarding the rights of the accused while ensuring the administration of justice. Section 522, Admissibility of Electronic Records. Section 522 deals with the admissibility and integrity of electronic records as evidence in criminal trials. In today's digital age, the reliance on electronic data is pivotal for ensuring comprehensive and modern judicial processes. Key points. Recognition of electronic evidence. This section formally recognizes electronic records, such as emails, digital documents, and audio-video recordings, as admissible evidence in court. Authentication and integrity. The section emphasizes the need for proper authentication of electronic records. Measures such as digital signatures, hash values, and timestamps are critical for establishing the authenticity and integrity of electronic evidence. Chain of custody. The maintenance of a clear and documented chain of custody is mandated to prevent tampering and ensure that the electronic evidence remains unaltered from the point of collection to presentation in court. Standards and protocols. Courts are to adhere to established standards and protocols for the collection, preservation, and presentation of electronic evidence. This includes ensuring that data is stored securely, and that access is restricted to authorized personnel. This section ensures that electronic records, which are increasingly crucial in legal proceedings, are treated with the same rigor and reliability as traditional forms of evidence. Section 523. Use of expert witnesses. Section 523 provides guidelines for the use of expert witnesses in criminal trials, recognizing the importance of specialized knowledge in the accurate and fair adjudication of cases. Key points. Qualification of experts. The court must ensure that individuals presented as expert witnesses possess the requisite qualifications, expertise, and experience in their respective fields. This includes formal education, certifications, and practical experience. Role of experts. Expert witnesses are called upon to provide specialized knowledge that is beyond the common understanding of the court. Their role includes offering opinions based on their expertise, interpreting complex evidence, and providing clarity on technical matters. Objectivity and impartiality. Experts are required to maintain objectivity and impartiality. Their primary duty is to the court, and they must provide unbiased opinions based on factual data and established scientific principles. Cross-examination. Expert witnesses are subject to cross-examination by both the prosecution and defense. This process ensures that the credibility, methodology, and conclusions of the expert are thoroughly examined and challenged if necessary. Documentation and reporting. Experts must provide detailed reports of their findings and opinions. These reports should outline the methodologies used, the data analyzed, and the conclusions drawn. The documentation must be clear, comprehensive, and accessible for review by the court and the opposing party. This section ensures that expert testimony is reliable, relevant, and contributes meaningfully to the judicial process by providing clarity on complex issues. Detailed breakdown. Admissibility of electronic records. Section 522. The increasing use of technology in daily life has made electronic records a vital part of the evidence in criminal cases. Section 522 ensures that such evidence is admissible, provided it meets specific criteria for authenticity and integrity. Key points. Authentication. Techniques such as digital signatures and hash functions are crucial for proving that electronic records are genuine and unaltered. Underscore chain of custody. Documenting every step of handling electronic evidence from collection to presentation in court helps prevent tampering. Use of expert witnesses. Section 523. Expert witnesses play a critical role in interpreting complex evidence and providing the court with specialized knowledge. Section 523 sets forth the criteria for qualifying as an expert and outlines the responsibilities and ethical obligations of expert witnesses. Key points. Underscore qualifications. Experts must have substantial credentials and experience in their field. Underscore objectivity. Experts must remain unbiased and present information that aids in the fair resolution of the case. Underscore detailed reporting. Experts must provide comprehensive reports detailing their methodologies, findings, and conclusions. Summary. Chapter 37 of the BNSS, 2023, through sections 522 and 523, establishes robust guidelines for the handling of electronic evidence and the use of expert witnesses in criminal proceedings. Section 522 ensures that electronic records are admissible in court, provided they are authenticated and their integrity is maintained. This section also underscores the importance of a documented chain of custody to prevent tampering. Section 523 governs the use of expert witnesses, ensuring that they are qualified, impartial, and provide detailed reports to aid the court. These provisions collectively enhance the reliability of evidence presented in criminal trials, thereby upholding the principles of justice and fairness in the judicial process. Stay informed. Live in comfort.